Yes? Anyone? No?
Yes,
If we've been here lifetime after lifetime performing impious activities, well, does it mean that we have to be here lifetime after lifetime performing pious activities to balance our sinful reactions?
we have been here for many lifetimes performing sinful activities. So is it possible to counteract all those sinful activities in one lifetime, or does it require many
1
lifetimes?
minute. That is Krishna consciousness movement. 1 minute. You are not reading Bhagavad Gita? What Krishna says? Sarva dharman parityajya mam ekang saranam braja aham ta sarva papebha mokshayami. You surrender to me, give up your all business. I will give you relief from all sinful reaction. Immediate. It requires 1 minute. My dear Krishna, I was forgotten, now I understand, I fully surrender to you. And you become immediately free from all sin. Without any reservation, without any politics. If you fully surrender, Krishna is assuring, aham tva sarva papi, amokhaisami, masucha. He reassures. Don't worry whether I will be able to give you relief from all reactions. Masucha. It is guaranteed. You do this. So, how much time it requires to surrender to Krishna? Immediately you can do that. Surrender means you surrender and what?